beginning of April. It's supposed to be raining today and cold, but the sun's out and the skies are blue, so what an ideal opportunity to take the car for a little drive. I've just reset the trip. The mileage is at 25,769. So we're just going to stretch George's legs today, as it were. 1 mile achieved. Oh, we've got a speed awareness. No, that's bang on. Thank you very much for confirming that. 35 miles an hour. Even the speedo is accurate. Not bad for an old British Lane relic. Some wind turbulence now. Let's get used to driving an older car again, because I've been in the Fiesta for the last 8 months. It's not a newer car. I mean, it is a newer car, so it's a 90s car. That's still 23 years old, the Fiesta, but they are worlds apart in how they perform on the road. This has just got loads more character, much more enjoyable to drive, in my opinion. And she's pulling along quite happily. 40 miles an hour. 3 miles have been achieved. Hydrogas is working well. Thank you, Ian and Dawn. It's floating over the road surfaces. I can't really describe hydrogas. It's like being in on a bouncy castle or in a waterbed. That's probably not a very good description, but being on a waterbed, I should say. Going to take this road this morning. I was going to take the back roads just in case of any hiccups, but he seems to be fine, so we're just going to go for it. I'm not going to put my foot down today, as it were, because this is the first time George has taken a decent run for 40 years. I've been around town with him recently, but I haven't got up to this sort of speed, so this is proving ground today, and he seems to be performing very, very well. Well done, George. Also take into fact that I'm a bit close to the car in front, and I haven't got the brakes I have in the Fiesta, so. That's 5 miles, almost 6. What a beautiful day. Just approaching New Milton, or the outskirts of it. I'm going to pop around town and then head back another way. Come with nice weather, and it brings out all the Sunday commuters, and I'm guilty of being one. I mean, I'm not arguably I don't need to be on the road today, I'm just taking a drive, but temperature gauge is steady, we're just over the blue, which is good, so nothing's overheating, nothing's getting hot. Fuel gauge still isn't working, that's a real shame. I have my suspicions about it. I think it might be a poor earth to the tank, so I'm going to investigate that next weekend. So that's good. I was worried about the fueling and the carburetor, but I think I've got that bang on. You know, I was going to potter back a different way, but I think I might just take the same road back. Seriously, If you're going right, I'm not going. You're not going right. Okay, I'm going right. Sunday pensioners. Ugh. Something immensely satisfying about getting an old car that hasn't seen the road for decades, getting it back on the road. And that was always the plan, but you never know how these things are going to pan out, so really proud of this car. Yeah, she's quite happy putting her. I think we've got the carb is absolutely bang on. Although, no, that's something we could do. We could take one of the spark plugs out when we get back and just check the condition of the electrode. See what kind of mixture we've got. Because you can tell by the way it is. I've just gone over 2 potholes that in the Fiesta rupture your spline. Nothing. Just didn't even blink an eyelid at it. The wonders and joys of hydrogas. I'm just hoping that fuel gauge is going to come back to life at some point, but my suspicions is it's a bad ground to the tank, so that's also something I could look into soon enough, because it would be handy to have a working fuel gauge. That was a Gilbert. He's one of our customers. I work in the motor factories and I've seen that chap in our shop. 10 miles have been achieved. Well done, George. The more I'm using this car, the more confident I'm getting driving it. So I know now I could take it to work on Monday should I want to. Obviously, I'm not going to use him in winter. That would be ridiculous. He survived so long. He's a real survivor. I don't want the body to deteriorate. I want it to be a daily driver, but I'm going to limit how much road use he gets, just because of the condition of the car. I don't think it's fair to be chucking him out in all weathers. More than capable of doing it. I mean, my last Allegro, which I had for 5 years, I did take all over the country and put miles on that car. The engine was getting tired towards the end of my ownership, and I'd done quite a bit of work to it, but it was a few things I couldn't sort out with that car. Slow the speed down a bit now. We've got a bit of trail of traffic building up. Trail of traffic. Big words. Just crossing Lymington River. Absolutely gorgeous day for it. That's my boss's dad. How bizarre is that? going to stop here and get some pictures, and thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you soon.